come back out of that water swamp.
I like to smell fireworks.
I do too.
You can see all the fog on the...
Sulfur. Smoke.
Yeah. Yep. The weather alert. You scared me. The rain's getting on my phone. I know. Bring one out so we can put it up here.
Huh?
Bring the one out so we can put it up here. Don't get hit. Oh, it's dark. All the cars. I don't know if you see it all the way up there. No. Anyways, a momentary pause.
I think.
It can't be done.
Like,
It's a lot.
yeah, the grand finale.
Lot of colors and...
Last time they had those things going.
Yeah. So like epilepsy
they
warning.
Taking a lot of.
Maybe it was the beginning. Maybe we did catch it.
I
Oh no, last a bit.
It's a rock station. It's always the best.
Yeah, but copyright music. I can't have copyright on this. If I post this, it'll get taken down. They really like their pauses. I think it's... Oh, my hand's in the way. I think it's because of the rain.
It's possible.
What time is it? Okay. Is your mom there? Well, I'm gonna stop this until something happens. Okay. So something is happening. Everyone's leaving. So maybe that was the end. Maybe. Everyone's leaving.
Is it over?
Yep. Wow, so it was.
But that was like, there was no finale.
Where's the lot? Okay, there. Can you stop messing with the door? Yeah. I guess that was the finale. Maybe. I'm wrong.
Other side of the road.
It was a long day.